In this experiment, we're going to determine the density of some liquids and of an unknown solid as well. So density is the ratio of mass to volume. And a simple way of saying this is that it's how heavy an object is for its size. Something like lead is more dense, it's very heavy for a small piece. Density is an intensive physical property. That means that the density of a substance is the same as no matter what the sample size is. Now we will see how density can vary with temperature, but if the temperature is set, it doesn't matter how big of a piece of the material that you look at. As long as it's the same substance, the density is the same. For example, if we think of a piece of gold, that like a small gold coin versus a big bar of gold, you might think that this one, it does have more mass, but it's not more dense because it has a greater volume as well. And the ratio is the same. Okay, and that's true as long as it's the same temperature. That's a constant for the type of material or for the type of substance that it is. Temperature can vary. Temperature can cause density to vary. If you warm something up, what will happen to its density? It will decrease. Why? Well, warming something up means that as temperature increases, the particles move faster. And I'm talking about particles, the atoms or molecules are moving faster. That means the particles will push away from each other. It'll spread out. And that means that the volume will increase. So if we look at how density is calculated, the mass would be the same. If we're talking about the same piece of material, like our gold coin or whatever, but the volume being larger, when you divide by a larger number, density will be lower. This is why hot air will rise, because as it's heated, it spreads out. The particles being more spread out makes it less dense, and if it's less dense than its surroundings, it will float.